Hi Cappies, this is your mid-February 2021 reading. This is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Please feel free to swap around the energies. It can go both ways. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here is meant for everyone. Alright, Cappies, take a deep breath in. Breathe in the love. Breathe in the peace. Cappies, you get Treasure Island. What is that about? Some sort of treasure that you are carrying with you and maybe you don't realize it yet. I think most of us don't realize the treasure that we are carrying. Maybe some sort of lessons that you are learning and you may be disheartened with whatever is happening, and you're not seeing the treasure that is in learning that lesson. What am I talking about? Are you finding it hard to communicate or talk to people? Cappies? What is your energy trying to tell me today? This is your mid-month reading, Cappies. Let's see what the reading has. Wow, okay. I guess Virgo got the same card as their overall energy. Cappies. Alright, Cappies, the overall energy, you get the 8 of Cups. You could be leaving behind a situation and moving forward. I do strongly sense an emotional disconnect here between you and someone. In the recent past, you have the 9 of Wands, the Lovers, and the 9 of Swords. Very, very exhausting relationship, draining you mentally. In your current energies, you have the 4 of Swords, the 5 of Pentacles, and the 2 of Pentacles. Heavy energy there, Cappy. Not sure what exactly happened, but you did feel abandoned by someone. Somebody maybe was juggling between you and something else, someone else. And you had to withdraw from the relationship emotionally for your own good. In the immediate future, you have the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. There is a brand new beginning coming in for you. I don't sense this to be the same person, honestly speaking. There is somebody coming towards you, somebody who is as truthful and honest about feelings and emotions as you are. You could be moving forward in your life. Let's clarify. I think you are going to meet halfway. The Knight of Pentacles here. The Knight of Pentacles here, please. Pentacles here. There is some energy of being stuck in your mind, Cappy. Maybe about love in general. Just remember that don't get too caught up with your thoughts, because it could blow up in your face. I do see the tower. If you are getting too stuck in a situation, I do see a tower coming in for you. You see that? Yes, I just don't get caught up too much in that situation. Whatever happened, allow it to go as well. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles here, please. Clarify the Two of Pentacles for Capricorn. The Six of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. Wow. Cappies, what is this about? You could be going towards and somebody could be coming towards you. You both are coming towards each other, I feel. Just get out of this energy of abandonment. Just keep, you are maybe going back and forth, Get out of that. Keep going forward. I think you will meet your person halfway. Cappy, I don't really sense that you are there yet. You are ready to meet your person yet. I do see there is a lot of work that needs to be done before you meet your person. A lot of healing has to happen because you are still not completely out of your previous relationship. This could have been very heavy for you. You could have not had proper sleep. But you are definitely overcoming it. You have the potential to at least overcome it. Maybe you are not seeing it now. But just know that deep down you are healing. You are emotionally detaching from a situation that no longer served for your highest good. I guess that's the treasure that you are not seeing. You are not seeing it yet. But I guess you are going, once you heal, only if you heal, guys. I think healing is what we all forget. And we all want to just jump into relationships. We want to jump into relationships without healing. And we end up repeating the same thing over and over again. How about healing it and not repeating the cycles again? So you meet your forever person then. Right? I think we all forget to see that part. We all want to be in love. But what about the wounds that we are carrying? What about the trauma, the hurt that we have been accumulating within ourselves? We have to let it go so that we are not, these hurts, these anger issues, these mindsets, lack mentality. We have to be able to get out of it. To be able to close that chapter, to be able to complete a cycle. And I guess you are there, you have started, you definitely have started. You've stepped out, you started moving forward on your journey, on your path. You still might be feeling that it is so lonely. What about solitude? Right? It's not lonely. We are never lonely. We just have to enjoy our own company. You will meet your person, and that person is wanting to come towards you. Keep moving forward. Keep going. Cappies, keep going. Keep moving forward. That's the message I have for you, Cappies. I hope this resonated. If you're watching this video, I believe that there is some message meant for you here. Alright, Cappies, until next time. See you soon. Bye bye.